Welcome to this video. We're going to be looking at basics of layers today. So you can see I've got 4 different layers here, and they're all pretty straightforward how I've labeled them. You'll notice that because the yellow dodecagon is at the top, it is above the green star, that is above the blue circle, above the red quadrilateral. If I wanted to reverse the order of those, though, we can shift the bottom one and then shift the top one. It's going to select all of them. We can do a cut and a paste, and you'll notice now they're in the reverse order. So if you want to reverse the order of the layer stack, you simply cut and paste with Control X and Control V. So that is one way you could do that. If you wanted to select the layers, we could use the keypad. So if I press 1 on the keypad, press 4 on the keypad, 3, 2, and there we go. If I'm in layer 2 here and I want to select layers 1, 3, and 4, I can right click and invert selection. That will select the inversion of those layers. Okay, so you can see now I've adjusted the length of the layers on the timeline here. So say I want to move this layer to this position. All I have to do is press the left square bracket, and that's going to make the starting point that particular layer. If I want to do the converse of that, I just do the right square bracket, and you can see it will do the converse. If I want to move it back to the beginning, I can press Alt and Home, and that will put it back at the beginning. If I want to move it to the end, Alt and End. And if I want to be more precise with my edits, I could do Alt and Page Down. It's going to move it, and then if I add Shift into that, it's going to go in bigger steps. And again with Page Up, Shift and Page Up. Okay, so sometimes you're going to have like a bunch of different stuff open, and it may be convenient just to focus on a single layer. So we can select this red quadrilateral layer and press X. And what that's going to do is going to put that to the top, and then we'll be able to see all the information with regards to that. So one final thing with regards to the square brackets, if we just do Control with the right square bracket, going to move it up. Because we do Control Shift with the right square bracket, it's going to move it to the top. So that's one way that you can start to order the layers in the stack in a convenient way. So thanks for watching.